Hello. In this video, I will show you how to use the WebCheckout Patron portal to reserve equipment from CERT. When you first access the Patron portal page, you will need to choose CERT as your checkout center location. You will then see our message of the day. Once you have read this information, you can close out of this window. You'll then need to choose CERT as your location once more. You can now see all of the equipment that we have available for checkout. Go ahead and use the arrows on the right hand and the left hand side of the screen to scroll through our equipment. Be sure to select categories to view what other equipment we have within those. And once you've decided what you'd like to reserve, you can select that item. In order to add this to your cart, we will reserve one of this type. And you'll see that one has been added in your cart and that your cart has one item. Let's say we want to reserve more than one item. We'll go back to our home page. And choose another item. In order to reserve this as well, we'll select reserve one of this type again. And now one has been added to our cart. Once you're ready to check out, you can select your cart in the top right corner and choose Create Reservation. You need to select the start time of your reservation and the duration. Our maximum checkout length is 14 days. Once you've chosen your duration, you can see the date that you will need to return your equipment presented below. You will then need to decide the quantity of each type of resource you'd like. Most of our resources, the maximum quantity is 1, but there are some, such as camcorders and tripods, where you can reserve multiples. You can ignore the attachments and the event/class title sections, but if you'd like to leave a note to Checkout Center, that's where you would here. Let's say, for example, I would like Word to be installed on the iPad when I come to pick it up. This way we know that we need to prepare this equipment for you before you come to pick it up. Once you're happy with the information you've entered, you can go ahead and click Submit Reservation. Once you see this congratulations page, you'll then have reserved your equipment successfully, and you can go ahead and hit OK. Let's say that we would like to check on our reservation or view old reservations. Instead of drilling into our location, we're going to click on these 3 lines in the top left corner and choose My Account. You can then see what current reservations you have, what current checkouts you have, meaning what equipment you have in your possession, and what reservations or checkouts you've had in the past. If you would like to edit or cancel your one of your current reservations, you can select that item, choose Edit Reservation, or Cancel. If we choose Edit Reservation, we'll be brought back to the same detail page as we were before. If you don't want to actually make any changes, you can click Cancel Edits and go back to your My Account page. Let's say that you'd like to reserve something the same way you reserved it last. You can choose the old checkout and select Copy Checkout. This will then add the same items that you had in that previous checkout to your cart. And you can change the reservation details in order to reserve that same equipment now. If you ever have any questions, you can contact CERT at 904-620-3927 or email us at certlab@unf.edu. That's CIRTLAB@unf.edu. Thank you.